Really excited to share with you the revamp of our Mission Restore website. We are celebrating our 14th year now. In 2010, when me and a group of colleagues went down to Haiti after the earthquake to help out there, we really created this global effort to train doctors with regards to surgical care of patients. If you think about it, if you have anyone anywhere in the world who has an injury, whether it's a burn or a fracture or a wound or a loss of limb, that could essentially translate to their loss of ability to live their daily life, which means they can't work, they can't take care of their family. So essentially what we're doing is infiltrating into communities around the world where there's a lack of healthcare education and teach the local doctors and give them the skills to be able to take care of their own communities. Having done that over the past 14 years now, we have thousands of hours of surgical education, hundreds of patients that have been helped, and communities that will be able to reverberate with the teachings that we've done. So please learn about it by going to missionrestore.org, and I hope you can join our community and see the impact that you can make as being part of our community.